After connecting your Arduino to the laptop, we are going to write the code for the Arduino Uno to read the DHT11 sensor's reading. So for that, we are supposed to include the library, that is DHT.h library. To run this module, we are going to go to Sketch, Include Library, Manage Libraries, and then we are supposed to search for DHT11 sensor. So you can see the DHT sensor library by Adafruit is already installed in my system, that is Arduino IDE. So this program is going to get executed. Make sure you install this package. So I'm going to upload this sketch to my Arduino board. Check out the next video for the Python code.